Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Chairman Kilik Chipate Jok Plot Pen Long Kitimung Kehai. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Chairman Kimi Long Kitimung Apothak Ethetheni. CEM Tuliram Ronghang Achor Kache Teron Pisok Ke Pen Sai Ke Kle Majutang Ke Paklang. News time along pen level bon kropi non bir tang ton pen arjoik tha Borjan constituency MEC Longkitimung Chipate Jok Plot Pen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Chairman Kilik Kehai. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council along Chairman Arpu Kapapleng Japan Jakong Nipai Ingora Pho Arni Session Hall along Chairman Kilik Padu Deputy Chairman Ritesh Inghi Chipaham Phusi Chairman Arpu Aphan Kilik Padu Pondo Ingora Near Cap Chairman Kilik along Anut Kaprek IMAC Atum Kachipadin Abang Phu Kawia Jaw Borjan Pen Pardundron Phong Thom MAC Keman Abang Phu Longkitimung Si Chipate Nang Nipin Pen Chairman Kilik Haidat Lukusi Chairman Ang Hoi Pen Deputy Chairman Ritesh Inghi Session Hall along Pachini Laswa Phijong Pen Longkitimung Aphan Chairman Ang Hoi along Phawpon Si Ang Hoi Paching Nipon Ningkan Phogebra Chok Arta Kedo Longkitimung Chadan Jok Plot Pen Chairman Kilik Kehaya Pothak CEM Tuliram Ronghang Pen Chenglok EM La Pen MEC Atum Anta along Nipan Kurwang Thu Pajir. Longkitimung Bokajan Subdivision Arlo Dilay along 1962 and Inkansi Piyothe Kehachi along Likalitang Longkam Timung Lapet Mudon Kropia Sopo Longkitimung LP School Pen Dilay Okke Haimuk LP School along si ke Charlie Lapen ME School ke Dilay ME School along si ke Charlie alang li Dilay High School Pen si 1982 and Inkan Metric Chepa Undun Pen Api Difu Golf College along PU Angdeng Chepa Unlo Longkitimung 1977 and Inkan Difu Golf Boys High School along ta Charlie Lang Bonta Hem Katora ke do Kokajok Timung Hem Chadam Thujuilo Difu Golf College along 1985 and Inkan Pen 2001 and Inkan an Sakurita Klemlang Alangli 2001 and Inkan Pen Borjan Pen MEC Kilik Chipate Dun Pen 2018 and Inkan ta MEC Kilik Chipaisi Pini Arni Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Chairman Manlo Longkitimung Henlo Bokajan LA Constituency Pen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council along Chairman Keman Cheng Abang Phulo Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Tuliram Ronghang Achor Kacheteron Pi Hidi Sundunsi Sok E Duna Birta Ladak Card News along Nangle Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Tuliram Ronghang Achor Kacheteron Pi Hem Arlopen Hidi Anang Barsi Sok E Ajutang Mate Work Culture Paklang Alang li Sok E Sang Pi Maratumalong Chilang Dunsi Inghanajo Sok E Dun Sang Pideron Pikaning Chia Tengke Mithang Akeng Along Keng Charge Up Ji Pulote Sok E Edet Kali Ang Tona Kamta Imithang sa klem ng Jipusi Ningche. Non walam sopor panbir tamu ing tapanik sina.
As per orders of the Honorable Supreme Court, the complete draft NRC will be published within 30th of July. At this moment, I wish to inform the public that the draft NRC list that we will be publishing is not the final NRC. It is a draft NRC. That means that applicants who do not find their names in draft NRC will still get a chance to file claims, meaning thereby getting another chance to apply for NRC. During the process of claims, the applicants will get full opportunity to adduce all evidence to prove that they are genuine Indian citizens. As such, applicants not finding their names in draft NRC have no reason to worry. Final NRC, which will be published only after disposal of these claims and objections, will not miss out any genuine Indian citizens. Further, public will also get opportunity to make corrections of errors and spellings, if any, occurring in the draft NRC. Provisions will also be there to file objections against any ineligible entries. I would like to inform the public that filing of claims, objections or corrections is the legal right. Forms for filing claims, objections or corrections will be submitted at the designated NRC Seva Kendras. After some time, we will launch a separate publicity campaign on the manner of submission of forms, their availability and time schedule, etc. NRC officials will also organize meetings and training sessions at various public places to enable the public to participate in the process of claims, objections and corrections.
It is hereby informed to all the repeater candidates of HSLC examination securing 50% marks in repeaters examination can take admission in Arts and Science stream at Kanak Klata Junior College, and those students who secured 45% marks in the same examination can get admission only in Arts stream. Hostel facility is also available for both boys and girls students. Regular candidates can also apply for both Arts and Science stream. For more details, please step in Kanak Klata Junior College, MG Road, Ward number 5, near Shankardev Vidya Niketan, Lanka. Contact number 8638735290 or 8011979888. Atorkimi Outlet brings you an amazing items for your kitchen and dining like Hawkins, Flax, Milton, Treo, etc. Along with makeup, cosmetics, and grocery items are also available according to your needs. Atorkimi Outlet opposite Langpidahangi Rural Bank, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecuason la penthesre alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang tharwe alang theso alang kecu ajam tu Tharmit aduk Thelua kreng Chitronola Ukthor pen chenglok ongdung hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dihinamo phibuthar bir talong bangthulu. Bab Jarman aju licing ki pahemso nang joine pendone serajang sai kangbo hamren pen kilometer thom kebra phli ka helo rongpa mongawar arata phanke Bab Jarman aju serajang sai le kangbo kali bonda PWD division sai hem si ingbo chorlo lasi koson pen si kangbo chorlo ma lang iksenang kat news channel a pherang ke hundor kro hamren penang kilo birta Lake PWD Rongpang Bong Division asai hemlo arjo dingklui pen bang so sahem alongside khiatum ardik dam plia bang anta kavedet ajok suri hinira trainer cap aningkan anke sahem ke thekdam long japhan anta pen an Bab Jarman aru kang phai sili unji Rongpang Bong arat tum pen ke than atengke bang so sahem along si hut isike tender ke jok la pen bill payment ki pia phan anta claim lo bon ta kopi koson pen doni pining pendingkan trainer cap an bak dolo bang so sahem along obu pamat non pu arning anta chedo jajet pusi than Pachini Rongpang Bong along sai hemdo sai khiatum ke doke thak japhan quarter ta do bon chutame ki pu ke pasika bang kavedet ajok sai khiatum aning ke hang aling si claim lo methang sai hem along ke chedo de det se ladak hamren PWD road division quarter ihum along si sai hem paman bom quarter along si sai hem ke paman ajok tar pang thek anta chetar hai he Kupia kisung pot si sai khiatum methang sai hem along chedo dam de det alam the sai khiatum apan chihut chiput alam thia prang ta karni salang paklang ponlo hala so hut sai khiatum pen ke than ateke Rongpang Bong along tum sai ke klem thanor kisung la pen ke ben ke phan ta awi pusining je muthe e phong pen hamran an bang juyamat dam thu theden puan wetlo lasi bang so sa he puthor ke pareng pon thu jia phan Rongpang Bong arat tum pen sai deng pon bom lo pusi haladak chirok to arat tum pen than pachini Mega Mission Society Chief Minister Samagra Unayan Yojana pen chutikia rat phan tractor keronjia phan puraja khoni phai ingkora pho arni Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council akiban secretariat along ke Thomangdeng district level committee amai pado CEM Tuliram Ronghang pen kechari pon amai long non ke bangji pai pho arni Mega Mission Society Chief Minister Samagra Unayan Yojana awar sai pen chutikia rat phan tractor keronjia phan lam theche parai mai along pen an EM MAC la pen council ke thegeding abang phubang phiatuk chetong dun winti Birta bangkila pas kangton paniklo domi thakme kardo